Will investing in the ABSLI assured savings plan help you create a financial cushion and help fulfill all your financial dreams? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. This is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. Some of the key features of the policy are you have a choice of various premium payment terms, policy terms, and sum assured multiples to suit your requirements. And this policy provides you with a comprehensive risk cover in case of death of the life assured, and also lump sum benefits are there to cater to your life's milestones, and loyalty additions are also added to your savings policy to boost your maturity corpus, and there is flexibility to cover your spouse by choosing joint life protection, which is available in this policy, and you get higher maturity benefits with higher premium paying policies. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, maturity benefit, and loyalty additions available in this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So let us start with the advantages first. All the benefits under this policy are guaranteed, and loyalty additions are available from the end of the premium payment term. Premium waiver benefit is an inbuilt option under the joint life cover option, and for added protection you can also enhance your risk coverage by adding riders at a nominal extra cost. And once your policy has reached a surrender value, you are eligible to take a loan against the policy. So the policy loan can be 5,000 rupees, and the maximum 80% of the then applicable surrender value will apply. So this is the minimum policy loan you can take from this policy. So these are some advantages. So the disadvantages are, though you get assured benefits, the return is meager. The sum assured is too low to cover the basic financial needs of your family in your absence, and the lock-in period is also 2 years for surrendering or for getting a loan. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis, which is we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy to understand what kind of returns we actually get at the end of the day in our hands to help us make a more informed decision. So we are going to calculate the IRR based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male invests in this policy and chooses the premium payment term as 10 years, policy term as 20 years, and premium payment mode as annual. So annually he will pay a premium of 1 lakh rupees. So if he pays the premium regularly for the first 10 years, he would be receiving a maturity benefit of 24.76 lakhs at the end of 10 years. So now for this cash flow, if you calculate the IRR based on the policy's maturity calculator, it comes around 5.93%. So any long-term investment should fetch higher returns compared to the inflation rate. And also the liquidity in this policy is not favorable, as you have to wait for the full policy term to get the benefits. Though the investment is long, the return is not appropriate. ABSLI assured savings plan will not be beneficial to those who are looking for long-term investments that will fetch better returns. So now, as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, so let us explore an alternative strategy where we can conduct a comparative analysis with the returns of this policy. So here what we are going to do is we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately compared to investing in a bundle product like ABSLI assured savings plan. So for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy which will be affordable, because for a sum assured of 12.5 lakhs, the premium would be just around 11,000 rupees compared to the 1 lakh premium we paid for the ABSLI policy. So here the policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. So it has similar metrics to ABSLI policy for a fair comparison. So here we are left with 89,000 rupees after the premium payment, which can be be invested separately for wealth accumulation purpose. So for investment, debt or equity that suits your risk profile holds the best. So here in this example, we have taken both investment vehicles to showcase the returns under each scenario. So for debt example, we have taken PPF. So it has a lock-in period of 15 years with a minimum contribution of 500 rupees per year. So the premium paying period is in the example is 10 years. So adjustments have been made in the next 5 years where a minimum contribution of 500 rupees is done just to keep the investment going. And in the equity investment scenario, we have opted for ELSS mutual fund. So they are subject to capital gains tax only at the time of redemption. Post-tax value is taken for the IRR calculation here. So you can see how we have calculated the ELSS and term insurance plus PPF plus term insurance combinations based on the tabular column presented on the screen before you. So according to the calculations, the IRR of term insurance plus PPF is calculated at 6.32% and the IRR for term insurance plus ELSS is calculated 10.48%. And if you have any doubts regarding how the ELSS tax is calculated, we do have a small tabular column presented on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So under both these scenarios, you can see that it has given you returns comparatively higher than the ABSLI Assured Savings Plan. Then what is the final verdict on ABSLI Assured Savings Plan? Is it worth investing or not? So as the name suggests, the ABSLI Assured Savings Plan ensures a guaranteed or assured benefit. Usually anyone who is risk averse will look for assured returns. But this assured return will not be beneficial down the lane as the expenses are increasing at rock speed. The assured benefits under ABSLI policy are not appealing for an investor due to the following reason. Sum assured is too low, liquidity is missing, and the return is not able to beat the inflation. Pure term insurance policy offers high coverage with affordable premiums, and you can build a separate investment portfolio for your life goals. There are better policies in the bazaar which combine insurance and investment than the ABSLI policy. Have you ever wondered why insurance agents try to push you into buying the ABSLI policy just for the high agent commission that they get for selling you this plan? Simple. The takeaway from today's analysis is insurance cum investment products which will not be beneficial for any investor.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.